Hello, plant enthusiasts. Ready to discover the secret to a longer, healthier life? In this guide, we'll unveil 10 remarkable houseplants that not only beautify your home but also contribute to your well-being. Stay tuned. Gerbera daisy not only boasts vibrant blooms but also purifies indoor air. It removes toxins like benzene and trichloroethylene, enhancing better living by creating a cleaner and healthier environment. Bamboo palm is a natural air purifier, effectively removing toxins and increasing oxygen levels. Its lush foliage promotes cleaner air, making it an ideal choice to enhance better living environments. Mint is a fragrant herb that not only adds flavor to dishes but also aids in digestion and reduces toxicity in the body. Its aromatic leaves promote better living by soothing the senses and aiding overall health. Rosemary not only adds flavor to dishes but also purifies indoor air. It removes toxins and promotes better living by creating a fresher and more invigorating atmosphere. Aloe vera isn't just a skin-soothing wonder, it also purifies indoor air, combating toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Its presence enhances better living by promoting cleaner air and a healthier environment. Lavender not only exudes a calming scent but also helps reduce stress, anxiety, and improve sleep quality. Its presence contributes to a tranquil environment, fostering better living and mental well-being. Peace lily is an excellent air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde and ammonia. Its lush green leaves and elegant white blooms create a serene atmosphere, contributing to better living and cleaner air. Snake plant is a natural air purifier, removing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air. Its oxygen production increases at night, promoting better sleep and creating a healthier, toxin-free living environment. Spider plant is a hero in air purification, eliminating common indoor toxins. Its presence promotes cleaner air, reducing the risk of respiratory issues and enhancing overall well-being. Jasmine not only delights with its fragrance but also reduces stress and anxiety. Its calming aroma creates a peaceful environment, aiding relaxation and better living by reducing toxicity and promoting mental well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. These 10 houseplants not only bring beauty into your life but also have the potential to enhance your well-being. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting plant-related content. Happy gardening!